Everybody is talking about AI right now. Use AI to start your business. Use AI to write your nonprofit. Use AI to automate everything. But let me say something that might surprise you. AI is not the reason your business is succeeding. And it's definitely not the reason it's failing. In fact, AI might be giving you a false sense of progress. Good morning, I'm Nicole, and I help entrepreneurs and nonprofit founders go from idea to fully structured, funding-ready organizations. Today, we're talking about the truth about AI, not the hype, but what's actually happening behind the scenes. People are building faster than ever, but they're building on foundations that simply won't hold. You can type in, create a mission statement, and it gives you something that sounds amazing in seconds. And that's the problem. It sounds good, but it's not positioned correctly for funding or approval. We've shifted from AI is exciting to AI is powerful, but risky. Let's break down the three big concerns. First, accuracy. AI generates info, but it doesn't verify your specific state requirements or long-term goals. Second, authenticity. Everything starts to sound the same. Funders and the IRS can tell when there's no depth. And third, job fear. But you don't just need information, you need interpretation and strategy. AI gives you output, but it does not give you strategy. And strategy is what gets you funded. I had a client who used AI for everything. On paper, it looked perfect. But when we reviewed it, it wasn't fundable. AI cannot choose your structure, position you for funding, or ensure long-term compliance. That's where people get into trouble. I'm not saying don't use AI. I'm saying use it correctly. Strategy first, AI second, not the other way around. Pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this structured correctly or does it just sound good? Sounding good doesn't sustain a business. If you want help building your foundation the right way, drop structure in the comments or book a consultation below. Let's build this the right way. From the start, I'm Nicole and I'll see you in the next one.